So here I'm testing Blender on Macbook M3 Pro with 18 gigabytes, 16-inch. So I can see about this MacBook, and you can see here all the details. And yeah, I don't think this is really fun. I'm not a professional in Blender, but I can tell that is not only if you want to create something really simple, but probably will not create this kind of project. But still, you know, it's not really powerful, that powerful. Like, it really, you have to wait a lot. But it's not if you are a professional, this MacBook is not powerful enough to use in Blender. So I think you should go with a Windows machine. It's much better. And just that it takes a lot of time to render. So here we can see the settings. Now if I want to play this, because we're using this using all this setting here, but as you can see now it's loading, because I would like to use this option here, but it's loading. So I can't work on this for kind of like project if Blender is not working properly. So that's why as I said, Blender is not good on MacBook. As you can see, still loading. Probably if I'm clicking, I mean, it's just gonna crash probably. But definitely is not a good option if you really want to start working in Blender. Actually, it's loaded. Texture is amazing. It's loading now all the texture here. Now I could add here, I could go in frames, go with 60, because of course we need 60 to work this kind of project. And here in, where is it, sampling, that's nice. Where I need to go, I forgot. Experimental compute, and now let's click on viewport shading. Let's see if we can move around, but it's still loading and it's super laggy, like the mouse. It's not laggy, the mouse, but it just takes time. And of course you want to buy a MacBook because you want to be a professional blender, and you're gonna work for this kind of projects at some point. So you need a good machine. Also, I'd like to hear your thoughts, guys, in the comment section. I'm really curious because of course I'm complete beginner on Blender, but I'm just sharing with you my thoughts. I'd like to hear your thoughts, guys, in the comment section. So please share your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any tips to help for the next video, let me know in the comment section. I really like to test what you guys are suggesting to me. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section, and I will test for you what you want. Now the mouse is just not working, and I don't know what is, everything's pixelated. Also the fan